Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to activate Wisely card. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to initiate the process, first go to the Wisely website at mywisely.com. Now once you are on the website, either log into your existing account or click on the activate card located at the top right corner of the page. Now this action will redirect you to the activatewisely.com website where you can seamlessly complete the activation process. Now activating your Wisely card is a straightforward process. Simply input the necessary card details including the card number, expiration date, security code, and cardholder's name. Additionally, you may be required to provide any supplementary credentials such as an activation code that was received with the card for added security. While I won't go into the exclusive details here, carefully following the provided instructions will ensure that you can actually activate your card and you will be able to use it moving forward. Now, should you encounter any issues during the activation process, such as an absence of an activation code or missing vital information, don't hesitate to seek assistance. Call the number located on the back of your Wisely card for support, and in this case, it is advisable to locate the 24-hour customer service number found on the back of the card. Prior to making the call, ensure that you have the correct number, as this will be crucial for a smooth activation process. Now, when you contact customer support, they will guide you through the verification process, confirming your details and subsequently activating the card on your behalf. By adhering to these instructions and reaching out to support when needed, you can ensure a trouble-free activation experience, leaving you with an active Wisely card ready to be used. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.